Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video today where I'm going to show you how I make $249 in one day using a really simple method that still a ton of people are not using. Yes, you can make $249 in one day if you know how. Now, I'm into affiliate marketing for those of you that know me, and there is one trick that I do that helps me make those conversions and brings those sales in. So today I'm going to show you a video, and you're going to learn in this video what you need to do to copy me, okay? How you can earn money with every campaign that you do. Anyone can do this. It's super easy and it works worldwide. It works everywhere in the world. Okay. Now, affiliate marketing, I've only been doing it just over a year. I do it part time. I work full time in a job. And this is just extra money for me. And I'm going to show you my account, my actual Warrior Plus account. I'm going to log into it. Now, before we do that, guys, can you do me a couple of favors, please? Can you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell? I would really, really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Why? You get to see my latest videos first. I upload them every day. You get to try them out first. You get to make money first. It's that simple. My goal is to make you guys money. So please subscribe and hit the bell. I'd appreciate it. And the other thing I'm doing for you at the moment, if you go to the comments below here, you will see that it says get my free training. If you click that, I'm giving you 7 videos all about affiliate marketing, how I got started. It's free. There's no sign up. Copy what I do and you too can start making some serious money. So that's it. Let's jump into the method. Okay guys, so this is my Warrior Plus account. This is me, Bobby D Online Marketing. I've recently just done 999 sales. So we're just going to go to my vendor account. So today is I don't know what the date is, the 13th. So this is live now. You know me, I'm honest and upfront. I've got nothing to hide. So we'll go to my dashboard. See where we are. So this is what I've made this month. So in the last 30 days, I've made $2,082. In the last 7 days, 217. Yesterday, 85. Today, none. Why have I made none today? It's 7 a.m. in the morning in the UK, but that will go up. So yesterday was a quietish day. It's been quite quiet all week actually, because I've only made $217, but I've made $2,000, nearly $100 over the last 30 days, and I've not been really pushing it. I've only actually advertised 2 products this month, and I've made $2,000 out of it, so it's not bad. So why am I showing you this? 1, to show you the system works, and 2, I'm going to show you what I do to help bring in these sales, because there is still people still not doing it, and I don't get it. So let's just go and have a look at something else. So I'm just going to go into my stats here and hit go. This might take a couple of seconds. I'm just going to show you. I've been doing this just over a year, about 13 months. Prior to doing affiliate marketing, I've never sold any affiliate products online ever. Give this a second. I might pause it, I might not. That bar's not moving. So I'm basically going to look at what I've made this year, which I'm interested, what I've made so far, which, to be honest, I haven't even checked recently. Let me just quickly pause it because it's going to take a while. Okay, we're back. That actually took about 4 minutes. So as you can see here, this is my total since I've been doing this, $61,000. Not bad. Not bad for doing this part-time and for releasing a couple of products. So it just shows you guys it works. All right, it works. The system works. And what I'm really pleased about is, look at that. 61. I've done 4,750 sales, 133 refunds. That is really, really low. Anyway, so that is the system. It works, affiliate marketing. So let's get into what I do. So let's go here. So this is big product store. The reason I do quite well is I offer bonuses, right? Now, a lot of people offer bonuses, but a lot of people just offer crap, right? So this is a place called the Big Product Store. Underneath here is a link to it. Okay, this is brilliant, guys. This is get a lot of my. Am I logged in here? A lot of my products from this one site. So basically, you go here. There's some free products. So it's free to sign up, guys. That's what I'm saying to you. If you use the link below, you can get a sign up for free, and you get some free stuff. This does video, audios, templates, plugins, all that you can use. All right. So here, WordPress sites, it's really good. You could actually probably make a program out of this. So let's just go to videos. Quick look here, and type. We want to make money, don't we? Money. Start a membership site, or what is really massive on here is YouTube. So if you're advertising somebody's affiliate product around YouTube, you'll just jump on here, and you could pull all these off and give these away as bonuses. Okay. I mean, look how good this one here looks. Master resale rights. So you can do that one. Jump into it. YouTube channel SEO pack. It's all done for you. You could use that as your bonus picture. Download the product. You get a sales page. You get 8 videos. That is great. But what I would do to make it more personal, you can zip over to Canva. Canva.com. Really good for making up pages, and change this. Put your name in it. Put Bobby D Marketing at the bottom of it. All right. So that's one idea. If you were selling somebody's product on, I don't know, SEO, jump across here. SEO split testing, SEO YouTube, SEO tactics. There is everything you want on here. These are ready-made bonuses. You can just chop them up, ping them out as they are, although I would change the covers just to make it more personal. All right, or bundle them together. Bonuses is where your money is, guys. Now, there is a cheat around this. There is a program brought out by Brendan Mace called Profit Maximizers. The link is below, guys. For me, this is one of the easiest ways that I make money online, because Brendan and, excuse me, I'm just logging into my other computer. Brendan has brought out this program here, and you get 40 of the latest selling products that he's done, worth over $3,800 if you were to buy them separately for a special price that we're doing today. I'm pretty sure he's still giving me 94% off. $17, right? $17. You can get Profit Maximizers. And, you start giving these bonuses away, you are going to start making some serious, serious money. And the best bit about this, it's all done for you. You don't have to do anything. It's done, guys. That is why I love it so much. You get all these programs for free. Not for free, for $17, all right? So if you're looking at an easy way of making some serious, serious money, you've got to use bonuses. All right, it's that simple. You have to have bonuses in everything you do, and that's what I do. All right, it's a simple page. You're going to get all these bonuses thrown in. You can give 5 or 6 away. They cover all sorts of niches, SEO, everything. I mean, they give you Urgency Suites Pro here. I use this every single day, and you're getting it for free. It's like $20 on its own. So highly recommended, guys, if you want to make money like that. So that's it, guys. Bonus, bonus, bonus. That's how you're going to make your money. Now, if you want some other great ways to make money, have a look at my YouTube channel, guys. There's hundreds of videos on here. Have a look. And honestly, making money online is easy if you take action, all right? And you can take action. All of you can. Guys, hit the subscribe button here for me. I'd really appreciate it. Leave a comment below this video if you like it. And if you need any help, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you, right? That's what I'm here for. So thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you take action. I hope you start making money like I did. It's super easy. And that's it. So hit me up if you need anything. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. Have a look at my webpage. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Cheers, guys. I will catch you in the next video.